Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm Olivia, and today I want to talk about something that can completely change your life if you truly understand it. And that is money. Now here's something that might surprise you. Around 97.8% of people don't actually understand how money works. And the worst part is they think they do. From a young age, we are taught to go to school, get a good job, earn money, and save it. But no one really teaches us how money actually grows, how wealth is built, or why some people stay stuck no matter how hard they work. Before we go deeper, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because I share content like this that can genuinely help you build a better financial future. Now, let's start with a simple truth. Earning money is not the same as building wealth. You can have a high salary and still be broke. And you can have a small income and still become wealthy over time. The difference is not in how much you make, but in how you use what you make. Most people fall into what I call the lifestyle trap, where every time their income increases, their expenses also increase. So they never really move forward. They buy a better phone, a bigger house, a more expensive car, and slowly they become dependent on their income just to survive. And that is not financial freedom. That is financial pressure. Real wealth starts when your money starts working for you instead of you always working for money. This is where investing comes in. And no, you don't need to be a genius or a finance expert to start investing. What you need is consistency, patience, and understanding the basics. Time is your biggest advantage when it comes to money, and most people waste it. If you start early, even small amounts can grow into something powerful because of compounding. But if you delay, you lose that advantage and it becomes much harder to catch up. Another important concept you need to understand is the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. The problem is most people buy liabilities thinking they are assets. They buy expensive things to look rich, but in reality, those things keep them poor. Wealthy people focus on buying assets like investments, businesses, and things that generate income over time. They think long-term, while most people think short-term. And this is why the gap keeps growing. If you're still watching this, comment money below, because that tells me you're serious about changing your life. Now let's talk about mindset, because your mindset around money matters more than you think. If you believe money is hard to earn, or that you can never get ahead, then your actions will reflect that belief. But if you start learning, understanding, and applying simple financial principles, everything starts to change slowly but surely. Avoid common mistakes like trying to get rich quickly, following random tips, or making emotional decisions with money. Money is not emotional, it's logical. And the more disciplined you are, the better your results will be. A simple plan that anyone can follow is this. Spend less than you earn. Save consistently. Invest regularly. Avoid unnecessary debt and think long-term. It sounds simple, and it is simple. But the key is consistency. Most people know what to do, but they don't do it long enough to see results. That's where they fail. If you can stay consistent while others quit, you will automatically move ahead of the majority. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be better than you were yesterday. If you made it this far, you are already ahead of most people who never take the time to learn about money. So take action today, not tomorrow. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because one simple idea can change everything. Money is not complicated, but most people never take the time to understand it. And once you do, your entire life can change. I'm Olivia, and I'll see you in the next video.